Hi everyone, City here. Today we have a double Frymaster fryer, electric. Sometimes you need to do something and you have to have the door removed. In this case, we have this door and we're trying to clean this fryer because it's dirty and it's greasy. So we will try to clean every parts of it, and we will have to pull to take this door off. In the bottom it has a little pin, as you can see here, and inside the door here it has like a spring. When you push in this pin, it pushes in, and when you push it in like this, it comes off. Don't lose the washer because it's very important. It has to be clean too. And I have to scrape this because it has to screw, sometimes 3 in the bottom, that needs to come off. We will have to open this door into parts. I'm just cleaning the screws to be able to take them off. I have to take the screws off, 2 in the bottom. As you can see, the handle is greasy too, so everything has to be clean. To be able to take this door apart like this, sometimes when it's greasy it's hard, so you have to clean a little bit, as much as possible. When it starts to do like this, you just come to one of the pins and you push it in like this. And you will need something to break this out. It's hard when it's greasy, just you have to be patient with it, but it will come, eventually will come off. let me show you the springs that I was talking about. Here's one here. Because it's greasy, it really can't move. So, but this one, it's still moving. After we clean it, we'll get back with you to show how it looks like. Because it's very important. It has the data plate that holds the model number, the serial number, and the voltage or the gas, the type of the gas that the fryer needs. So this information has to be all the time saved in case needed. We'll get with you back after we clean this. Hi everyone, we are back after we clean the door parts. The handle is shiny, nice, no grease. The washer that goes in the bottom, and as you can see, it's very nice, clean. As you can see, the springs that I was talking about, they are free and nice. One in the top and one in the bottom, and you can see it's nice, clean. You can read all the plates and the information here. Nice. The door catcher is clean. Now it's time to put it back together. You have to hold it like this, then you align the pin inside first, the bottom one, then you align the one in the top like this, and you will have to push it in with the scraper or something like that, something very flat. Here's it. Then we will take new screws. We start with the bottom. We'll put just 2 screws. Then in the top, you have always to make sure you put the handle far away from the pin, so you will be able to use it. Then we finish with the drill fast. Then we take our washer and we'll put it in the bottom pin. We align the holes, the one in the top here and the one in the bottom. We have to push it in with our finger. And we will align it with the hole, and that's it. That's how it looks nice and clean. You see the door, very nice. I hope this video will help you having an idea on how to remove the door and put it back. Please help us subscribing to our channel. We appreciate your support. Thank you very much. You stay greasy.